integration of 1 over x dx. Alright, so let's go back to the differentiation. Okay, when we differentiate ln x, the answer is 1 over x. So that when we integrate 1 over x dx, the answer will be ln x plus c. So we need to put modulus here to make sure your x is always positive, because log only works for a positive value here. Okay, so when you derive ln x, the answer is 1 over x, so that when you integrate 1 over x, definitely your answer is ln x. That's all. So this is the first one. Right, the second one. The second one, when you integrate 1 over ax plus b. Okay, so 1 over ax plus b, where you can see your denominator is a general linear. This is also linear, but just single x, but this one is a general linear. Okay, so when you integrate 1 over ax plus b, okay, the answer is ln ax plus b divided by a. We have to divide by the derivative of the ax plus b plus c. Okay, so for example, you want to integrate 1 over 2x plus 4. Okay, so 1 over 2x plus 4. So the answer is ln 2x plus 4 divided by 2 plus c. Okay, so maybe we can have another example. Integration of 2 over 1 minus x. So let's take out the 2, because here in the formula we only have 1 for the numerator, sorry. So let's take out the 2 here. Okay, so 1 over 1 minus x. So now we will use this formula to, okay, ln 1 minus x. Okay, when we derive 1 minus x, it will give us negative 1 plus c. So the answer is negative 2 ln 1 minus x plus c. Alright, so the third one. Integration of f prime x over fx dx. Okay, the second one, when your denominator is a linear. But this one, when your denominator is fx, mean it can be linear, quadratic, or whatever. Okay, so anyway, this is the general formula. If you want to memorize, you just memorize the third one. Okay, because it will work for any other two. So the answer is ln fx plus c. Right, so remember this form where your denominator is fx and your numerator is f prime x. Okay, where your numerator is the derivative of denominator. Okay, so let's see an example. The integration of 3x. Or maybe I can use 2x only, sorry. Let's change the version. Okay, integration of 2x over x squared minus 1. So before you do anything, okay, once you see a fraction function, a fraction integration, you just compare your question with this formula. So now this is your denominator, x squared minus 1. Okay, if you differentiate your denominator, if you differentiate this one, okay, the answer is 2x. Where here, yes, we have the 2x. So this question, okay, this question is taking this form. So that okay, the answer is ln x squared minus 1 plus c. Okay, maybe we can have another example. Integration of 3x divided by 2x squared minus 4x. Okay, so let's compare this question with this formula. Okay, where your denominator is 2x squared minus 4. Okay, when you differentiate 2x squared minus 4, you differentiate this one. Okay, you differentiate 2x squared minus 4. Your answer is supposed to be 4x. So your numerator is supposed to be 4x, not 3x. But this one is 3x. What we can do, we can modify your numerator. How? Let's take out the 3. We don't want that 3. Okay, we want to have 4 here. So we can put 4. But remember that put another 4 for the denominator so that we don't change the equation. Okay, we just change the form. The original value is still the same. So now what we have in here, okay, 4x over 2x squared minus 4 is f prime x over fx form. Okay, so 3 over 4 is the coefficient here. Okay, ln 2x squared minus 4 plus c. Done. Alright, one more example might help. The integration of ex squared plus 4x. Okay, 4x ex squared plus 8. Alright, so now take a look to your denominator. Let's differentiate it. Okay, when you differentiate your denominator, you differentiate ex squared is ex squared multiplied by 2x plus differentiate for x is 4. So this one will be 2x ex squared plus 4. Okay, so compare what we have here with our numerator. So we can see that our numerator is 2 of this one. So we can modify our numerator. Let's take up 2 or let's factorize 2 from your numerator. Okay, we factorize 2. When we factorize 2 from your numerator, so now your numerator will become 2x ex squared plus 4 divided by ex squared plus 4x. Okay, so now your question or your fraction is already in the form of f prime x over fx, where your numerator is the derivative of your denominator. Okay, so ln ex squared plus 4x plus c.